Welcome to Ajastro Mini Guru, your go-to destination for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodity markets. Today, we're taking a closer look at the small cardamom market, which has been making headlines for its remarkable price movements. After reaching multi-year highs, small cardamom prices have begun to ease, driven by softened demand and market corrections. Let's dive into the details. In the latest developments, small cardamom prices have dipped for the second consecutive session. This comes after a significant rally that saw prices climb by 25% over the last 15 sessions. The recent correction is largely attributed to high price levels discouraging demand. Auction data from November 20 highlights this shift, where average prices were observed in the range of 2,753 rupees to 2,787 rupees per kilogram. These figures represent a slight decline from the previous session's 2,763 rupees to 2,796 rupees range. However, it's noteworthy that the maximum price during the same auction jumped substantially, rising from 3,009 rupees to 3,365 rupees per kilogram, signaling selective demand for premium quality cardamom. The supply dynamics also reflect interesting trends. Arrivals at the auction increased marginally, totaling 105,994 kilograms, up from 105,305 kilograms in the prior session. However, offtake, which indicates actual sales, decreased to 103,030 kilograms from 104,310 kilograms. This reduction brought the offtake percentage down from an impressive 99.1% to 97.8%, suggesting that buyers are becoming more cautious at elevated price levels. When it comes to grade-specific trends, prices have remained stable for now. The 7mm grade cardamom was priced between 2,350 rupees and 2,420 rupees per kilogram. Meanwhile, the slightly larger 7 to 8mm grades fetched between 2,600 rupees and 2,720 rupees per kilogram. The premium 8mm and above grades commanded prices in the range of 2,940 rupees to 3,060 rupees per kilogram. While these prices reflect a degree of stability, the broader market sentiment points toward a short-term correction as demand remains subdued. Despite these immediate corrections, there are underlying factors that are expected to support the market in the medium term. Domestic supply remains limited, and the next picking season is still some time away. This supply constraint is likely to stabilize prices, preventing any sharp declines. Additionally, data from the Ministry of Commerce highlights a significant reduction in imports. In September, India imported just 468 tons of cardamom, marking an 8-year low. This drop is primarily due to reduced shipments from Guatemala, a key supplier. On the export front, the scenario is more optimistic. Exports surged by 52% year-on-year in September, reaching 434 tons. Although this is lower than the volumes seen in the last 3 years, it demonstrates robust international demand that is likely to support prices. Thank you for joining us today on Ajastro Mini Guru. We hope this detailed analysis helps you stay informed about the latest trends in the small cardamom market. For more updates and advanced insights on commodities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video with more expert analysis. Stay tuned and stay informed.